across to these pictures coming in from Nala Sopara near Mumbai, where COVID workers were attacked by a mob when they went to enforce lockdown rules. Yesha is getting us more details on the same of what exactly had happened. But these are people who are flouting COVID norms, and when they were asked to stay indoors as the lockdown has been enforced, they went on to attack the COVID workers. We're trying to get further details of who these people were, but civic staff was beaten up. Why? Because they asked those flouting the norms to abide by the lockdown rules. And this obviously led to clashes that got rather violent. I believe Yesha is back with us on the broadcast. Yesha, what had happened here?
So that's right, Yesha. What really happened was that over the last 15 days, what we've seen is there are lockdown conditions that have been imposed in various parts of the state, which includes Mumbai and its suburbs as well, which includes Nala Sopara. But on the other hand, because people are hassled about the fact that there is a lockdown which has been imposed, this is the Virar Vasai Municipal Corporation employees. They had gone to Nala Sopara, which is under its jurisdiction, wherein they were beaten up by the mob because they were trying to enforce a lockdown. This is a part of the Nala Sopara wherein there were several hawkers who were at that particular market at Nala Sopara, but they had, because the municipal commission employees, there are some of the officers as well in that particular group which had gone to shut the market, but because they did not approve of it, did not approve the lockdown norms, as a result of which these officers were beaten up by the mob at Nala Sopara. Now, what's important to note here is that there are several sections which have been imposed under the lockdown in this particular area as well, because it is a part of the suburbs of Mumbai. What we've seen is yesterday also Maharashtra reported more than 65,000 cases of COVID-19. And amidst all of this, the fact that people are beating up municipal staff who are a part of the essential service workers raises a lot of questions. Section 144 has also been imposed in various parts of the state, which means that more than 4 to 5 people cannot gather at one particular location, which is a violation of the lockdown rules. But the fact that these people had gathered and were beating up the staff of the municipal corporation, it raises several doubts as to why are people not following the norms, because they very well know that Maharashtra, which is the epicenter of the COVID-19 pandemic, is reeling under the shortage of beds, shortage of oxygen, and there's not enough supplies of various essentials in the hospitals as well. As a result of which, these norms have been imposed in various parts of the state. But this incident which has come out from Nala Sopara, this incident happened yesterday, but what we've also found out from our sources is, despite the fact that this incident was reported at the police station, there's been no FIR that's been filed even after 24 hours in this particular incident. It's only now that the visuals have come out, but the fact that people have not, the fact that there's no cognizance that has been taken in this particular incident also raises a lot of questions. Yes.